here in the question, let us assume that qx is a cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Then and alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. So I can say that alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus of coefficient of x square divided by coefficient of x cube. So here in the polynomial qx I have coefficient of x square is b, so minus b by a, and alpha beta plus alpha, which is sum of the product of zeros taken two at a time. So it is coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. So it is c by a in the polynomial qx, and the product of all the zeros is constant term minus of divided by coefficient of x cube. So it is minus constant term is d, so d by a. Now in the question it is given that the sum of the zeros is given as 2, sum of products of its zeros taken 2 at a time is given as minus 7, and the product of the zeros is given as minus 14. So let's say it is equation number 1, it is equation number 2 and equation number 3. Now in all the three equation we have 4 variable a, b, c, d, and we have 3 equation, which means that we have to assume any of the one variable as a some value. So let's say if a equals to 1, then I can say from equation 1 I can say minus b by 1 equals to 2, or I can say b equals to minus 2. From equation number 2 I can say c by c by 1 equals to minus 7, or I can say c is minus 7. Now from the third equation I can say minus d by value of a is 1, so 1 equals to minus 14, or I can say value of d is 14. So our cubic polynomial will be a x cube, so value of a is 1, so x cube plus bx square, so value of b is minus 2, so I can write minus 2x square plus cx and plus d. So qx will be x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 14. This will be our answer.